Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to talk about combo boxes. Let's go to the code. So first we import what we need and the bare minimum, creating the root window. So now that we have the root window, let's create a combo box. For this combo box, we need a variable so that we can capture the user selection. So I will create a variable of type a string, and then I create a combo box on ttk combo box, pass the root, and text variable is our variable. So basically we are saying you get this variable, which is of type string. Whatever the user selects from the combo box, put it into this variable. And we put it on the window using the pack layout manager. Let's run it. Here we have this combo box. There is nothing in it, but you can type on it. Now let's add some values to the combo box. So I will say combo box dot config. I want to add values, and this is my values: Honda, Benz, BMW. Now let's run it. Okay, this is the combo box, but there are values in it: Honda, Benz, and BMW. If you look at that when I run it, there is no value in here. We can pre-select a value by setting that value to this variable. So I can say this is one of the values is Honda. So I can say that variable that set value Honda. Now our variable has Honda in it, so the combo box will select Honda when it starts. Have a look. Honda here. Beautiful. We can make it Benz or BMW, doesn't matter. You can also print the selected value using the variable that we have, like this in the console. So if I run it, look at here, the selected value is Honda. This is all about combo boxes. Now let's do one more thing. I want to talk about Spinbox, which is very similar to combo box, and I'm talking about it here now because of that. So I will create a new variable of type of string, and I will say Spinbox. It's not from TTK, so we'll say Spinbox, the class is Spinbox. I pass the root. I will say from, it's important, there is underline here. From, for example, 2000 to 2020. This is the range that I want to show in the Spinbox. And the text variable equals year. The same as above, that we have a text variable here, and we store the selected value in here. Here we also have a text variable. Whatever the user selects from 2000 to 2020, we put it inside the year. And we put it on the window using the pack layout manager. Let's run it. Okay, here the first one is Combobox, and this one is Spinbox. If you look at here, it starts from 2000, and we can go up to 2020. It stops here. When we go down, it comes in 2000 and stops here. These are the values that we passed from 2000 to 2020. You can also put whatever you want. That's totally fine. If you want to get the value that user puts into that spin box or selects from the spin box, if you want to see the variable, for example, in the console, we can use that variable that we passed and call the get function. Run it. Look at here, 2000 is here. 2000 is here. This 2000 is here. That's all for today. In the next video, I will show you how to create a progress bar. Thank you for watching and see you later.